The deeper I go into learning Assyrian, the more I'm sometimes even gobsmacked how much literature there is, how much poetry, how much stories and things have been written in Assyrian. And I'm also finding the importance. The more I'm studying Assyrian, the more I'm realizing how important it is to learn this incredible way of reading and writing. It allows you even bigger room for self-expression, for writing, as we said, music and poetry. And yeah, I'm discovering an extraordinary way of self-expressing, like on a daily basis. The more I learn how to spell and read Aleph and Assyrian words, the more next level approach I'm realizing, the more like things are making sense every day. Today we were in a rice field and so many words are used while planting rice or preparing the field to plant rice, all ancient Assyrian words that are being used till this day, and you only hear them when you're at a rice field. It's our duty and it's our job to preserve, to use. جارج ما بالخخلة، جارج مصوثخلة، جارج ما بالخخلة، جارج من البخلة، جارج لا بخلة، قد مخيخلة أو التيلة إلا أنت دخلة بخني، قد أنت آتي مبار منن هاي طلعها خدشيها بالسناي قد لا بيدا.
هلبت أي وليسني له.
يعني طنا ندمنتها رغم الناشي أخديد وختيلا تيلا دويخة سام جورا من خيوثة قليبت الدهلي شانا وما نهارت دي وما لبت دي قناة شخرين عزيز رابي
تودي
بس مرابا. Thank you so much.